Hi, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on social media, all places there, and I'll flash it again at the end of the video. We're having a little throwback here, a little Time Warp Tuesday here. I've got the Target April 2018 box. Yes, it's all about natural beauty, natural products that are, made from organic stuff and stuff that's healthy to the environment. The box is even from recycled cardboard. So let's get into the products. So before we get into all the products in the April Target Beauty box, it's all about natural beauty. So I have no makeup on. I've done nothing with my hair. It's all about the natural beauty. Yes, I even break out. Shocking, I know. So first, it's like a recycled cardboard box, which is cool. And it says, now that spring is in the air, there's no better time to adopt an all-natural beauty routine. So earth-friendly products here. We have the Method Experiential Simply Nourish Body Wash. That is a mouthful, but it's got coconut and rice milk and shea butter, and I think we should find out how it smells. It smells awesome. It just smells light and refreshing, naturally derived, no bad vibes. That's always important. Now this I've had before in other beauty boxes. I love this shampoo. It is Love Beauty and Planet. It is coconut water and mimosa flower. It smells incredible, and probably the reason I'm doing this box is because I'm out of moisturizer and I'm almost out of shampoo. So that's probably why you're getting this box now. Then we have the, if I can find it, the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Mud Mask. It's a clarifying mask to draw out the dirt and congestion and absorb excess oil and improve the appearance of troubled skin. While I don't have that, I do like to get the dirt out of my skin. So yes, tamarind extract and tea tree oil, you are going to be so great. Here's a little tip. Put your mask in the fridge for like 10-15 minutes. And when you put it on your face, it's like cold and refreshing. It's so awesome. Now, you can't do that with all the masks, but I'm pretty sure that you could probably do this one. You can also do it with sheet mask. Don't put your sheet mask too far back in the fridge though, because it will freeze. Then I have the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Deodorant. If you're worried about aluminum and all types of stuff in your deodorant, this is an alternative because it's a natural deodorant. It has no aluminum or other stuff that I cannot pronounce. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Then we have the Nourish Organic Facial Lotion with argan and rose water, which is probably another reason I'm doing this video. I'm out of moisturizer. Then we have Weleda Skin Food. It's also a moisturizer. It's formulated with wholesome plant oils. It's great for elbows, hands, and feet, but hey, if it's a moisturizer, it might also end up on my face. Let's be honest. So that is the April Target Beauty box that we're having a little Time Warp Tuesday with. Follow me here. Yeah, and by the way, check out my MAC sign. I got that because MAC Cosmetics asked me to margin pride with them, and it was freaking awesome. So thank you, MAC Cosmetics. Even though you're not in the box, I still love you. Check me out. I'll see you next time. Bye.